And there are some things like I have heard and seen the details, like people are like promoting them to end their lives even. So they were easily, it happened, huh? With some influencers also, like who are very famous, and people were cheering them, drink it, or take it, no? It's just like toxins.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we definitely should like the bit far, not in a safe environment, but some first world countries are actually doing this now. We
Mm.
luckily we had that in our childhoods. Even the streets, if it was a city, we had trees and we used to jump
Yeah.
into like gardens or like fruit trees and no. But the village children were more blessed even. While they were going home, they could just jump into a river even also and play around and go. And that made them physically also strong and mentally also they were so connected, no? There are people who hug trees now. So as children, like little monkey, when you are climbing a tree, you already hug the tree, right?
Yeah.
Huh? And
Yeah.
even if your mom scolds you with you come like really like with all the mud and everything, but even if you get a scolding or a small beating, no? But later you go and hug the person, no? So there's so much connection there. But now when they're in this virtual reality with these devices and all, Navin, would you believe there are some children, they just have outside time for 15 minutes only.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So they come from the car, from home, and just for the college or something, they get down and walk,
Right.
and then they come back to the vehicle and come back home. And then they are in their virtual world or do the studies or classes or something. So
Yeah.
maximum sentence inmate, uh, who is they have at least 1 hour outside time. It's in a closed enclosure, but at least they see the sunlight and all. But they also have like 1 hour time. So these children, they are not in a situation like that, but they just have like average 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So think of what will happen to them. So yeah, we should definitely expose them in a very safe way. uh, and some in some countries, Navin, I spoke to some nice people. They have in their classes, they have a time to be within a safe surrounding with safe people, to go and stay in nature. And some countries I saw like even in the first years they don't even use exams. They teach the basic things a human needs, which is very nice.